So Alt select link, scale on the y-axis. Actually scale this one on the z-axis too. And then Alt select link, Shift E to duplicate. You just have to go over the entire ship and add those type of details to everything. Here too, you do I to inset, E to extrude, and change the color a little bit. Here, same thing, I to inset and E to extrude. Here we could put a whole bunch of like sort of flat panels like this. Scale, let's see, on the y-axis, bring it in, E to extrude, Alt select the link, maybe a little bit right to there. Shift E to duplicate on the Z-axis, and then Shift R a few times. So you could add features like that to make it look like different vents. Those could probably be a little bit smaller. So here is too much detail, or too little detail. So I'm going to grab these two, I to inset, and I to inset, Alt S to scale. And grab these two, I to inset, or Control R here first, because I need this one to be separate. I for individual, and Alt S to scale to there. And then here, again, more details needed. Shift E to duplicate this, scale on the X-axis, E to extrude. Grab this face, scale on the Y-axis, a lot more, and E to extrude, Control R. Maybe we should put something more interesting on the top here too. I think I will do. So up here, we could have something that links these two together. So these are looking a little bit just out of place here. So scale on the Y-axis, bring it down, and I think I want to create something. Let's see how that works anyway. So I'm gonna go all the way to how this could be like going some weird way, but let's try anyway. E to extrude, and then bring this down. I don't know what this would be, but we'll find out. So E to extrude, R to rotate, E to extrude, R to rotate, and this is probably not